Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Calm. This is helpful if you want to use the app in a language that's more comfortable or easier for you to understand. First, make sure you're already inside the Calm app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile. Next, tap the settings icon, which you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Inside the settings menu, look for the option that says Change Language and tap on it. After that, choose your preferred language from the list. Once selected, wait a few seconds for the app to reload. When the app finishes reloading, the language will be updated automatically. If you ever want to change it back to English, simply repeat the same steps. And that's it. That's how you change the language in the Calm app. Thank you for watching.